Hello queens and kings, welcome to the channel. Dima is my name, and on this channel I share lots of natural hair growth DIY contents to improve your hair growth, thickness and health. On this channel we explore lots of Ayurveda, potent Ayurveda that works amazingly well to improve hair growth. On this channel, we believe that everything that grows out from the soil is a potential hair growth product, and they are 100% natural, so it's a win-win. Please, before you continue watching, kindly subscribe by tapping on the red button on your interface. Also tap on the bell icon to always notify you on our future uploads, and please share this video with your family and friends if you enjoyed watching it. Lastly, please ensure you watch this video to the end, as all instructions will be stated towards the end of the video. So in today's video, I share a 2-ingredient super hair growth oil to grow your hair thick, grow new hair on bald spots, clear your scalp, condition your hair, and basically grow a healthy hair. First off, grab an apparatus free of moisture and well sterilized to avoid introducing germs into your hair. My choice of carrier oil is olive oil. You too can use olive oil, or you can go for coconut oil, castor oil, or sweet almond oil. For the proportion, I measured out 200 ml worth of olive oil into my beaker. The main ingredient for today's recipe is guaryd powder. I don't know if I murdered the name. If you know, please kindly let me know the correct pronunciation in the comment section below. Guaryd powder is loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. It can improve the overall health of your hair. You can think of guaryd powder as a shampoo and conditioner in one. Not only does it deeply cleanse your scalp to remove dirt and excess oil, but it is also a natural way to add shine and moisture to your hair. It also increases your hair volume and grow hair on bald spots. One of the key ways guaryd powder benefits your hair is by increasing hair growth, as it adds strength to your hair. When you are using guaryd powder, you can be assured that you are avoiding unwanted and harsh chemicals. Guaryd powder is a completely natural product that takes care of your hair by deep cleansing. For the proportion, I measured out 1.5 tablespoons of the guaryd powder into my beaker containing olive oil. Take a look at the Somali women and you will realize how beauty actually looks and feels like. Somali women have a charm that is the dream of every woman. Their hair and skin, the natural glow on their face. They have visible glowing skin, and more importantly, they have beautiful and shiny hair that can catch anyone's attention. How do these Somali women achieve such an amazing quality of hair? What's the secret? Well, if you are wondering the same, then you have come to the right place. The secret is revealed. It's guaryd powder that makes hair look captivating. From what you can see in the video, you will notice that I used DIY double boiler method for my infusion. When using a DIY double boiler method, make sure to stand by this oil and stir continuously until 15 minutes mark. Once it's 15 minutes mark, please bring down the oil. Do not heat further, because if you do, you just might kill the nutrients. So allow to cool down completely before sieving, exactly what I'm showing you in the video. After the sieving process, this oil is ready for use. You can do extra by adding some essential oils into yours. I love essential oils so much, but I didn't add that to mine on camera, because if I do, most of you will think that is a must. You add them to this oil. So they are completely optional. So I'll go ahead and transfer my oil into my applicator bottle with the use of my funnel. This oil can last as long as 6 months, provided they are in a cool, dry place and they don't come in contact with moisture. And secondly, you don't expose them to moisture in the process of making them. I have to say this, whenever you're making your oil, your hair growth oil at home, make sure that your applicator bottle, the funnel you're using for the transfer, basically all the apparatus used are free of moisture. That way your hair growth oil will last longer even without preservatives, provided they are in a cool, dry place and not in the refrigerator. So for the application process, I'm going to be demonstrating that. That is my thick, full hair. The first thing that I love to do when applying products on my hair is to first of all section my hair in a chunky twist before I go ahead and apply the products. That way I will minimize shedding and breakage, unnecessary shedding and breakage. So working in sections is very important. I went ahead and applied the oil on my scalp, kind of lubricating my scalp. I had to work that in with the use of the pop of my fingers so that the product can circulate every nook and cranny of my scalp. You can use this oil to seal in moisture. That is, after applying your moisturizers, you can use this oil to seal in all the moisture. You can also use this oil as your pre-poo. You can also add this oil to your deep conditioner to make it even more potent. You can use this oil for basically anything you do for your hair regimen. This oil is amazing. It thickens hair. One of the major ways to thicken your hair is by scalp massages. You already know that I don't joke with scalp massages. I love to massage my scalp. It helps a lot. It helps me relax and also it thickens my hair. Those are the two major benefits that I derive from scalp massages. So for my scalp massage, I got this amazing massager, USB scalp massager. This scalp massager is so relaxing. I love to use it before I go to bed. I recently got it of recent. You can check on Amazon to get yours. This is what it looks like. After charging, you can just plug in a USB cord. There is a port on the massager and also a cord that came with it where you can plug in the USB cord and then charge for just an hour or so. Then after charging, this can last for up to 5 to 10 hours after it's fully charged. So you can use it to massage your scalp. I so much love this. I've been wanting to get this since 2019 and this is 2022. I have it right in my hands. I'm so excited, guys. No more using the pop of my fingers to massage because it can be very tiring and my fingers hurts at some point. So this is perfect, guys. If you have the money, invest in this. Use it with your hair growth oil, especially this guaryd powder. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below regarding this my scalp massager. This is what you can use with your guaryd powder to get an amazing result in a month's time. I tell you, if you massage your hair consistently for a month, I keep telling you this from the inception of this channel, that if you massage your scalp for a month, every day for a month, you will smile at last. Your hair will thicken up. There is no magic you can do other than this. Massage your scalp, remain consistent. That's one of the things that gives me the volume I have on my head. So keep massaging your scalp. Imagine pairing this scalp massager with guaryd hair growth oil. That would be amazing results you will get after a period of time. This guaryd hair growth oil improves blood circulation to the scalp, has its own unique benefits. Actually, is a lot more than stimulating hair growth. When you apply guaryd hair growth oil to your scalp, it helps to promote relaxation and while reducing stress. We have come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to ask me questions in the comment section below, and I'll see you shortly.